What if I told you the future of AI isn't just about machines trying to act like us, but about making everything we do smarter, safer, and way more ethical? Sounds kind of wild, right? Well, let me introduce you to Claude AI, the next-gen tool that's about to shake up how we work, learn, and create. Hold tight, because this one's got the kind of potential to seriously level up your game. Claude AI was created by Anthropic, a company started by ex-OpenAI rockstars like Dario and Daniela Amodei. These folks are all about making AI that's not just crazy smart, but actually responsible. Think of it as the cool, trustworthy friend who's always reliable, whether you're debugging some code, brainstorming ideas, or diving into a tricky conversation. They've built Claude with safety and ethics baked in, so we can use tech in a way that actually matters. Now, the big buzzword here, constitutional AI, sounds intense, but it's basically a framework to ensure every response Claude gives is safe, ethical, and transparent. But why is this such a big deal? Let's have a quick look on recent AI horror stories that show why this kind of trust matters. Remember Microsoft's chatbot Tay? It hit Twitter and got corrupted fast, giving out offensive junk thanks to bad interactions. Then there was Amazon's recruiting AI. It got scrapped because it was super biased against women. Seriously. These flops showed how messy things can get when AI goes unchecked. Claude, though, was built to avoid this kind of drama. But okay, you're probably thinking, isn't this just another ChatGPT copycat? Fair question. Here's the response. Most AI tools spit out answers, but you've got no clue how they got there. It's like trusting someone's guesswork without seeing the math. Claude flips that. It shows its reasoning, so you're not left wondering if the output is correct. Let's spice it up with something fun. I will try making my own snake game with Claude. All I have to do is type, create a snake game with unique CSS design, and Claude whips up a functional game in React. Test the moves, tweak the design, and even add cool extras like high score tracking. In no time, I've got a custom game with my vibe written all over it. Here's what makes Claude a whole vibe. First on the list, safe and transparent. As we already discussed, Claude's all about keeping things ethical and reducing bias. It's like the moral compass of AI tools. Second is explainability. Claude doesn't just give answers. It shows you the why behind them. Super differentiator for deep dive problem solving, from coding to legal analysis. Third is enterprise ready. Whether you're running a startup or managing a global team, Claude's got the power to scale with you. It becomes the only scalable AI tool that can be professionally adopted by organizations. That said, no one's perfect, and neither is Claude. It sometimes struggles with stuff like math. And yeah, hallucinations happen. For those of you who don't know what that means, hallucinations in AI are kind of like your friend who is super confident about something but is totally wrong. It's when an AI generates information that sounds legit but is actually made up or completely inaccurate. In short, AI hallucinations equals wrong answers that sound convincing. Anthropic's on it though, constantly fine-tuning and asking for feedback. So how do I use Claude? Let's take a scenario. I'm knee-deep in a coding project stuck on some buggy mess. I drop the code into Claude and ask, what's wrong here? Not only does it explain the issue, but it serves up a fix with optimizations if I ask. That's not just saving time, it's saving my sanity. Or check this out. I've got a fat business report to summarize. Instead of slogging through pages, I paste it into Claude and say, summarize this in key points. Instantly. Organized, clear, and ready for meetings. Need it more polished up? Just ask for more depth or polish. Game changer. And it does not stop there. After the meeting, I throw the notes into Claude for a recap. Summarize key points and assign deadlines. In seconds, I've got a clean breakdown to keep the team on track. It's the multitasking buddy you didn't know you needed. Bottom line, Claude AI isn't just smart. It's ethical, scalable, and totally geared toward helping you crush whatever's on your plate. Whether you're a coder, a creator, or running a business, Claude's like the secret weapon you've been waiting for. So, are you eager to know what's coming next? Hit that subscribe, because trust me, you don't want to miss what's next. Let's get creating.